Hi, Danielle. Thanks a lot. Now, let's head over to meteorologist Corey Smith, who's going to tell us a little bit more about tonight's tornado threat and why it's so rare this time of year.
It turns out tornadoes are not too common for this time of the year. Our peak typically here in the Memphis area is occurring in the spring months. You can see April, our most active tornadic month. As we get into the summer, we typically see those numbers drastically fall. And they're really the only way that we get tornadic weather is in situations like this, where we have decaying tropical systems moving through the south. They eventually do gain fronts just like a normal low pressure system, and that's what we're expecting with Beryl as we go into the next 24 hours. And that sets the stage for that spin in the atmosphere. We have winds out of the east and southeast at the surface. And if you go up just a little bit further, our winds start to come out of the southwest. And that means that there is that spin sufficient to potentially create storms that would rotate enough to get tornadic weather. Now, these tornadoes that form with these types of systems, very weak and very brief, typically in nature, compared to those spring severe storms that we see here in the Mid-South. Of course, when it comes to severe weather and even tornadic weather, especially overnight, you're going to want to make sure that you know where your safe space is. If you're in your home, that's going to be away from any exterior facing walls. You want to get towards the interior of your home. If you have a basement, that is the safest place to be. So let's break down one more time what you can expect as you head throughout the rest of the night. Between 7 p.m. tonight and 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, the impact is going to be severe storms, gusty winds, and we can't rule out a straight tornado with all of this. So make sure you have your phones charged and have a plan in place and have ways to get alerts as you go throughout the rest of tonight. From the studio, I'm ABC 24 meteorologist Corey Smith.